Dramatic developments in the Calcutta High Court. A single judge bench of Justice Abhijit Gangopadhyay ordered the arrest of a lawyer from the court on contempt of court charges. The lawyer, of course, moved to division bench, and following that, the division bench of the High Court stayed the order. And this is important because this is, of course, perhaps an unprecedented situation where a judge has ordered the arrest of a lawyer from court. And the same High Court, a division bench, of course, stays it. And therefore, it's important to also note the observations the division bench has made while staying Justice Abhijit Gangopadhyay's order. Now, before we actually look at that observation, let's also look into who Justice Abhijit Gangopadhyay is. He's, of course, a judge of the Calcutta High Court who appeared for a TV interview. The Supreme Court, of course, at that time said judges cannot and should not be appearing and giving interviews on cases that are before them. And then, of course, there was an order of reassignment of cases. And there, of course, also there was some dramatic developments when this incident took place. But Justice Gangopadhyay has been in the news for his very dramatic orders in the courtroom. And also, this time around, though he ordered the arrest, this was, of course, also stayed by a division bench of the Calcutta High Court. And the Calcutta High Court Bar Association has also now requested the Chief Justice to take away the judicial duties of Justice Abhijit Gangopadhyay, saying they will not appear before his courtroom. And the observation while the division bench of the Calcutta High Court made while staying Justice Abhijit Gangopadhyay's order is important to note. And what does it say? It says, we are not unmindful of the well-settled proposition of law that the maintenance of purity of administration of justice so as to uphold the independence of the judiciary is the sole task of the courts. The courts should also maintain judicial restraint and discipline as a necessary to orderly administration of justice, as they are all to be the effectiveness of army. The duty of restraint, humility should be a constant theme of our judges. The quality in making a decision-making process is as much necessary for judges to command respect as to protect the independence of the judiciary. So there, of course, pretty, important observation by the Calcutta High Court. That order has been stayed. The Calcutta High Court Bar Association has, of course, said they will not appear before Justice Gangopadhyay. And this matter will now have to be resolved in the days to come. With camera person G.D. Shankar at the Calcutta High Court, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.